Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Pillsbury Snickers cookie dough. It says it's safe to eat raw or you can bake them, and it makes 12 big cookies. Okay guys, so this is what the cookies look like. They smell really good. I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and I also set my oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 6. I don't know exactly how big they get, so I'm going to put them into my oven for 16 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so here's the first 6 cookies. I'm about to let them cool off, and then I'm going to put them onto a rack to cool completely. Okay, the next 6 are ready to go into the oven. So these are now done. I'm going to let them cool off, and I'm also going to place them onto our wire rack. Okay guys, so look at these cookies. Look how delicious they look. They smell really good. So I'm about to give one a try. Okay guys, so between 1 and 10, I give them a 9.5. And as you can see the peanut that's in them. They taste really good. They taste just like a Snickers. The cookie is crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. And you can also taste the caramel and the chocolate. So it's really good. I would definitely buy these again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?